Hi, I'm Nur Ismail, Sony Alpha Guru from Kuala Lumpur. I've got with me today is a Sony RX10 Mark V, which is a great upgrade from the older Sony RX10 Mark IV, which was released back in September 2017. The camera retains the same 1-inch sensor as well as 20 megapixel resolution. It also uses the same Zeiss 24 to 600 mm lens with an aperture of f2.4 to f4. The improvement to the camera is that now you can shoot at 30 frames per second, which is great for action photography as well as bird in flight shots. It comes with the new Bion XR processor as well as the AI processing unit, which is a great addition to assist you to focus better, focus the subjects better. The camera comes with an improved EVF as well as LCD. It has a better and larger hand grip, and it's also using the higher capacity FZ100 battery as compared to the RX10 Mark IV, which uses a smaller FW50 battery. You can shoot video at 4K 60 and 4K 120 crop as compared to the RX10 Mark IV, which can only shoot at 4K 30. This is a great camera if you're taking it for traveling, because you can shoot landscape at 24mm, then you can shoot further objects as well as birds and wildlife photography at 600mm. And this is also a great beginner camera if you're starting to get into bird photography. I'm sharing with you some of the images I've taken from the camera. Thank you and good day.